Radio Italian engineer who Guglielmo Marconi in the year 1901. Saving mission. France inventor B. Timonier in the year 1830. Microscope Dutch spectacle maker Charles Johnson in the year 1590. Typewriter American inventor Christopher Columbus in the year 1868. Balloon British scientist Michael Faraday in the year 1783. Calculator French mathematician Blaise Pascal in the year 1642.
Yes, correct. Children, my papa.
Jet engine British inventor Sir Frank Whittle in the year 1937. Gramophone American inventor Thomas Edison in the year 1878.
Exactly. Correct. Inventor name. వాళ్ళ సంవత్సరం చెప్పండి. క్లాస్ చూడండి ప్లీజ్. మా పేరు Niharika from Bosargani. She is Niharika from Bosargani.
My name is Mohanish.
Mohanish from Bosargani.
Computer was invented by British mathematician Charles Babbage in the year 1834. Bicycle was invented by Scottish blacksmith K. Macmillan in the year 1839. Lift was invented by American inventor Elisha Curtis in the year 1852. Revolver was invented by American inventor Samuel Colt in the year 1835. Safety pin was invented by American inventor William Haas in the year 1749. Watch was invented by German inventor Peter Henner in the year 1791. Electric iron was invented by American inventor H.W. Seeley in the year 1882.
Exactly. Mohanish from Bosargani. Excellent. Class parent. ఇప్పటిదాకా 250 మంది పిల్లలు స్టేజ్ మీద చెప్పారమ్మా. 280 స్టూడెంట్స్ చెప్పారు స్టేజ్ పైన. ఇప్పటిదాకా